Hey, Gary. So, put the exhaust tips on. I adjusted the height of the exhaust on the passenger side. Now they're even. They look good. It's got really nice tips on it. It looks way better.
It does. I like it. Wait, hold on. All of this can be yours if the price is right.
I have no idea how I'm going to react to that. Anyway, so the tips are on. They look great. I mean, you know, as good as it's going to get, but that definitely helps the back look more finished.
Oh, yeah, it does. I agree.
I mean, they're not exactly expensive tips or anything, but guess what? It's better. We're way better than where we were.
Yeah.
It didn't take long. I did have to take the passenger side and drop it down one on the hanger. I'll show you right here. I just dropped it down one. Done deal. Nice. Perfect. Ow, mother. Look,
Very good. I'm proud of you.
I caught myself from saying bad words. Anyway, mucho
so
better.
another
added bonus. You can have an added boner. Fuel line is in. I just need to get our filter so we can be like, bloop.
Get off, car.
Done.
Get off, car.
Don't tell me what to do. Anyway, so a little bit of progress goes a long way around here.
Yep.
Close the hood, and I hear a cling, 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 cling. Look down. The O fell off. And the F's about to fall off. And the R's not in. The D. Ha! Hey, Scotty. Of course, the D's the only thing stuck in all the way.
You're kidding me.
The D doesn't pull out.
I guess that's how I got all of my kids.